Ka Sorkar Jilla henne ka sengi balang jong toyo kala penbena baklada bentes lut ya borok ki primary contact lani ki ba ki baya kendu markhmat bat kitu ki bayo yo khnyang jingpang coronavirus ha ka jelam. Haba penbena ya kani usembut menteri rang ba ka jella ulong bana ki 8,000 sanspa live khundai tili ki sampel baki lapha ka report ka baki yo kalong 8,000 sanspa alfundu tili ki negatif. Laya thu bana ki khat lai ngut ki bayo ya ka te ka jingpang khat wei ngut ki lakot no bat wei ulak hlat no bat ibadang don menta ha ka jing sumar ki sa sak tang i wei. Laya thu ru ba ki samla nakal nang jong ka jalla kari India kin mi na do ka mi sngi balang ban wan phai no shala ka jalla. Kita ki samla ki ben wan da karel kin stang ningkong na Chennai Gujarat bat ter na Bangalore bat ki wei de.
Samples sent for testing, collected and sent for testing till today is 2,539, 2539, and the report received and negative is 2,526. The number of test report awaiting is nil, and number of patients tested positive again 13, 1 death, 11 fully recovered, and we have right now 1 active case. The next point is, I would like to update to all of you for the information of our citizens in the state that the total number of stranded students as well as friends in different parts of the northeastern states, including few states outside northeastern states who have just reached till today, is 3,970.